Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2014 Ford EcoSport Titanium X-Pack we have new in stock. This is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle, and I'm just going to walk you through some of the optional and standard features on this particular car. To begin with, you got the optional Panther black metallic paintwork and the optional rear parking sensors. The Titanium X-Pack gets you the 17-inch alloy wheels with the diamond turn finish, automatic headlights at the front, the power folding door mirrors, some of the chrome trim inserts around the car, such as on the front grille, fog light surrounds, and the door handle at the rear. You've got the contrasting matte silver trim inserts on the rear bumper, the front bumper, and also for the roof rails on top. And of course, the spare wheel on the back with the EcoSport badging. You've got a full leather interior for all passengers, your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, where you've got access to cruise control as part of your titanium inclusions. You've got the controls for your power folding door mirrors and your electric windows. You've got your leather-wrapped gear stick and leather gear gaiter on the centre console area, your leather handbrake. You've got some of your climate control functions and some of your infotainment controls further up the dashboard, and then your centre screen, where you've got access to some of your infotainment features, such as your radio, as well as your rear parking sensor screen. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2014 Ford EcoSport Titanium X-Pack, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.